In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your Sweatcoin balance to your Kucoin wallet. First, open your Gmail app, search for Sweat Wallet Backup Code, and click Enter. Select this email showing in the video and open it. Scroll down all the way to the bottom of the email. Click on Login into your Sweat wallet. Scroll down to the bottom of the website. Click on the wallet.near.org showing in the video. Now you will be redirected to a web page. Your Sweat wallet will be automatically detected here. You can click on the Import button to import it to Near Network. You will see your wallet like this. Now you need to copy your Near wallet address. Then you can send your Sweatcoins from Sweat wallet to this Near wallet. Click on the Receive button. Copy your Near address. Now open your Sweat wallet. Select Transfer button, then click on Send button. Paste your Near wallet address here and click Enter. Your Near wallet address will be detected here. Click Continue button. Type amount you need to withdraw and then click Continue. Swipe the pink button to the right to confirm your transaction. You will see this screen displaying Sending Fail. But don't worry, this is a bug. Your transaction is successfully completed. Now go and check your Near wallet balance. You will see your Sweat balance there. Now I'm going to show how to withdraw these Sweatcoins to your Kucoin exchange wallet. First, open your Kucoin app. Go to the Assets tab and click on the Deposit button. Search for Sweatcoin. Select the Near network. Copy the deposit address. Go back to your Near wallet and click on the Send button. Click on Select Asset, choose Sweat, type the amount you need to withdraw or click on the Use Max button. Click Continue. Paste your Kucoin deposit address and click Continue again. Click this blue button to confirm the transaction. Don't close your browser while this process. Some people asked me that do we need to have some Near to pay gas fees? No, you don't need any Near balance to complete these transactions. You will receive your Sweat to your Kucoin account within 5 to 10 minutes. You have done it. Congratulations. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. If you have any issues, please write it in the comments section. You can send me any amount of Sweatcoins if you think this video helped you. For that, open your Sweat wallet. Click on Send. Type CRYPTOD and click Enter. Select the amount and send.